I really think that's a great question because for us as adults, when we go through a public speaking training, we know whether or not we are improving. We are able to judge, we are able to assess, we're able to use different understanding of the different evaluation criteria, and we have sensing ourselves based on our own experiences, whether it's with public speaking training or our own experiences at work and all. When it comes to kids here, how do you help them progress along the way? How do you know that they are progressing? I would say that it's not just the outward appearance. It doesn't mean that a particular kid previously didn't use body language like hand gestures and stage positioning, now able to use hand gestures and stage positioning. That would be the sole criteria or the sole criterion. It wouldn't be just that. I would say that you have to see a basket of indicators, and you have to see, like, for example, the speechcraft abilities of the students for different speech genres. They may still be holding on to a script, may not have a lot of eye contact, but still how fast and the quality of their speechcraft. We look at things like, for example, how fast they think on their feet. So how do you help your kids move from there and progress in their journey? Two things. Number one, involve them and ask them questions at home. For example, you can ask them a question like, hey, do you read the news now? We have a supermarket that's charging 5 cents for every single plastic bag that you're going to use. What do you think of that? Do you think 5 cents is enough? Do you think 10 cents would be better? Ask questions like these and then hear how your kid comes up with responses. Is it structured? Is it balanced? Do you have both sides of the stories being shared? That would be effective. And it's also a good way to help push your kid because there will then be opportunities for your kids to know how to apply the techniques learned in class. The second one is encourage your kid every time when there's an improvement made. So give praises, even if it's a small one. Like for instance, hey, I see that now you're able to make use of eye contact. When you speak with me, you're able to have good eye contact. Praise, because it's not just about the here's an area for improvement, that's how you correct, but also praising the reinforcement, the positive reinforcement that makes it a habit I want to continue, and I know that that is a good habit. Yeah? So try out these two. You're going to be able to see over time the progress that your kid will experience when it comes to effective communication.